Hi, my name is Neff, and I help vacation rental owners get more direct bookings on their website. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install Universal Analytics within Google Tag Manager. If you haven't done so already, go to tagmanager.google.com and then select your workspace. I've selected mine here called Cabin Promos, and after that, head over to Tags and click on New. I've already created the tag called UA Base Tag, so let me walk you through the steps. First, you want to have a descriptive name that you can recognize. Then click over to Tag Configuration. And for your tag type, you're going to select this first one here called Universal Analytics. Then your tag type will be Page View. And for your Google Analytics settings, you're going to bring in your tracking ID. Click in the dropdown and then select New Variable. Here you can see that I've already created one for myself, but let me walk you through the steps. So let's go to New Variable. Again, enter a descriptive ID here. And for your tracking ID, what you're going to do is head over to Google Analytics and go to your Universal Analytics instance. Here we are in my cabinpromos.com Universal Analytics instance. And to get to this section, what you do is head over to Admin, go to Tracking Info, and then click on Tracking Code. Copy and paste your tracking ID here, and then head back to Google Tag Manager and paste right in here. I like saving these tracking IDs as variables because then you could just refer to that variable in other tags. Remember to save this. And now the last step here is to, of course, select your variable here to pass in your tracking ID and then head over to triggering. And you're going to fire this on all pages. So here you select all pages as your trigger and then click on save. Now let's preview our changes to make sure that we install things correctly. Head over to preview. Pass in the website URL, connect, and now Tag Assistant opened up a new tab with my website. Here you can see this Tag Assistant prompt. Head back over to your Tag Assistant in the other tab, click on Continue, and now you can see the tags that got fired successfully. Everything looks good here, so let's head back to Google Tag Manager and then submit our changes. Enter a version name and a version description, and this is just a good way to figure out a history of all the changes that you've made within Google Tag Manager. And the last step is to publish. You're all done. In the next video, I'm going to walk you through how to set this up with Google Analytics 4.